probably not ready to look at migrate his case to the new law, and we are still fixated on the old law?
Well, the prosecution also was insisting on proceeding under the old law. I believe maybe the prosecution felt that it had some advantages. But you see, like I said before, nobody is infallible, including the judiciary. So the judge might have been misled. I am not attributing any mischief on his part, but nobody knows everything. You don't have knowledge of everything. Even judges who are supposed to be experts in the law may be misled, and that is why we have the Court of Appeal, and that is why I believe this is one of the major issues that shall be ventilated before the Court of Appeal.
So far, any progress? How far have you people gone? You have 90 days to make that appeal.
Well, at the beginning, you introduced me as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu advisor. Yes, I'm his advisor. I have also formed some friendship with him. I also see him as a brother, so I have a fraternal bond with him. But I'm not his counsel of record. I'm not his lawyer for now, and he doesn't have any lawyer for now. So how can he file an appeal before the Court of Appeal in Abuja that has exclusive jurisdiction over this case? How can he prosecute this appeal from 700 kilometers away in Sokoto himself? For now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is convinced that he does not need a lawyer, and it is his constitutional right under Section 36 of the Constitution to feel that way. So if he says, I want to file my appeal myself, or at least initiate the appeal myself and look for a lawyer later, it is his right. So the state is supposed to accord him the opportunity to exercise that right, because that right is protected by the Constitution of Nigeria and is guaranteed. It's given to him as inviolable. It's fundamental. So taking him to Sokoto defeats that right. So I do believe that is why he brought a motion before the Federal High Court to ameliorate the situation, to issue an ameliorative order that could transfer him from Sokoto prison to a prison in the vicinity of Abuja that will put him within a fighting chance of initiating his appeal before the Court of Appeal here. I think that is something that is worthy of consideration.